We will guide you through how to use animated backgrounds in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Camtasia to open it, and begin creating your animated background. Create a new project, and for this example, I have already added a video here. We can hide the video temporarily. Next, click Annotations on the left side, then access the Shapes section. Add a rectangle, which by default fills the entire screen and creates an 8x6 section layout. Once everything is selected, you can change the shapes into triangles, for example, to create a more interesting pattern. Then, set the fill opacity to 0 so the triangles become transparent. Next, increase the outline thickness and adjust the opacity to create the desired pattern. Then, group all the triangles into one group. Duplicate the group so there are two triangle groups in the track section. Once finished, click Animations on the left side to access the available animation controls. Add a custom animation to create a scrolling effect for the triangle pattern. Make sure the two groups create a clear scrolling effect, such as moving from bottom to top. You can freely adjust the animation duration. Then, change Enable Easing to Linear to keep the movement smooth and consistent. Apply the same setting to the other triangle group. Next, adjust the duration of the triangle group to match the ending point of the animation and maintain consistent timing. Then, combine both groups into one triangle group so the pattern can be handled as a single element. Duplicate the group so its length matches the video underneath and the background continues throughout the video. Here, I will customize the rotation of the triangles to make the animated background more dynamic. Then, add the background to the track section. Then, arrange everything properly in the track section, making sure the background, video, and animation are aligned correctly. Click the play button to preview the final result.